Now, the hard things in this screen is done, and the rest is simple. In this lesson, we're gonna create this box. So let's go to our code and add a new component, and let's name it bank card box.tsx. And let's create RNFES functional component, and let's just go and render it inside our payment screen. So here, let's just render it here. Bank card box. Now let's go and style it. We're gonna add a view with this background color with border radius 10. The width of it is gonna be 100% and the height is gonna be 257. So let's go to our code and give this style equals to styles.container. Container. The background color is this color. The height is vertical scale 257 and border radius is scale of 10. We want to add some padding horizontal to it, so let's go to our payment screen and wrap it inside a view. So let's add a view and give this view just padding horizontal scale of 16 like this. Let's give this a space 25 pixels. So margin top vertical scale 25 like this. Now what we got here? We got here an icon, a title and subtitle. So let's first extract this icon. So right click on it and just copy as SVG and go to our SVG viewer. You can also, by the way, ask ChatGPT to do it for you. ChatGPT can make it. And press on React Native and copy this part here and go to our icons and let's just export it. So export. Don't forget, you just need to add some imports here. You just need to import the G and the rect and G and mask. You need to import them. You can import them from React Native SVG. So here, let's go to our React Native SVG and import mask and G and what else? And rect. Like this. And let's just add TypeScript definition and remove this line. It will work without adding TypeScript or even removing this line. It will also work. And finally, let's just rename this icon. Let's make it bank card icon. And let's go and put it inside our box. So here, bank card icon. Now we've added it here. We just need to center all things in the middle. So justify content center, align items center as well. To center all the things. I think our view is very much bigger. Let's try to decrease it. The pixels in Figma are not matching the pixels in our simulator. So it's normal to decrease it. Or I have another way. Let's just remove the height like this and use padding. For example, you get here padding top 35 and padding bottom, let's make it 35 as well. So let's add padding vertical scale of 35 like this. Now let's change the title. The title was no MasterCard added. It's bold and 16. So the title is no MasterCard added. And this is the color of it. So let's give it style. Let's put it inline style. So color is gonna be this hex color. Font size is gonna be scale of 16. And font weight is bold. Like this. Let's just give it some margin top. So margin top is 17. And let's add the other text. The other text, you can add a MasterCard and save it for later. So let's create another text. So text. The font size is 15 and this is the color of it. So style, equals to color, this hex color, font size as 15. And let's just add some padding top here of 6. So margin top, vertical scale of 6. Let's just add some padding horizontal also. So inside our container, let's just add padding horizontal. Let's make it scale of 30. And let's make this text in the center. So let's add text align, center. As simple as that. Now we are done with our bank card box. What we still got here? We still got this button and this text and this button as well.